no relief for CPIM leader A. Padma Kumar, and this is in connection to the Sabrimala gold loot case. The Kollam Vigilance Court has rejected Padma Kumar's bail plea in the investigation into the alleged Sabrimala gold loot. With the court denying bail, the probe by the vigilance team is now set to intensify. That's the big development we are reporting. No relief from court for CPIM leader A. Padma Kumar, and this is in connection to the Sabrimala gold loot case. The Vigilance Court has rejected bail plea of Padma Kumar in the investigation. Let's go across to Arpita. Arpita, no relief for CPIM leader Padma Kumar. What we are learning is that the bail plea that was filed by the CPIM leader has been rejected. Let's go across to Arpita. Arpita, more details, please.
Well, it is a setback for Padma Kumar, whose bail has been rejected by Kollam Vigilance Court. The prosecution, while arguing, said that if Padma Kumar is being granted bail, then definitely this could influence the investigation further. He could influence the evidence. He could tamper with the evidence, and it could definitely influence the investigation. And that is why the court has now said that they agree with the prosecution's arguments, and that is why they have now said that the bail cannot be granted. On the other hand, while the arguments were happening, Padma Kumar in the court said that it was not just him. The entire Devisam board officials had agreed to give this gold sheets to first accused Unnikrishnan Poti, but he said that it looks like there is some conspiracy because the special investigating team is trying to frame only him in this case, is what he has said in the court. Meanwhile, investigating team has said that they are investigating the matter and they will arrest more people in this case soon. Total 6 people have been arrested. The investigation is ongoing. But when we talk about the political angle, Padma Kumar is also a CPM leader. Even though Chief Minister has since day one said that he will not protect anybody who is involved in this scam. Till now, the party has not taken any decision in expelling Padma Kumar from the party, because of which BJP and Congress time and again has been hitting out at CPM for the decision.